In this video, you will learn how to link your US virtual bank account generated on AirTM to your Amazon associate payment profile. The first thing you need to do is to come to AirTM platform. If you are new to AirTM, you will see my link which is below the description of this video. AirTM will give you a free $3 sign up bonus if you use that link. As soon as you open your account and you log in, you come to this place, virtual account. You will generate your US virtual bank account for non-resident. As soon as it is generated, your account details will look like this. It's going to be a checking account. You'll be able to see your name, your account numbers, the name of your bank, and the routine number. All you need to do is to click here to copy your account information. You copy. You come to your Amazon.com website. You navigate to your Amazon associate payment profile by clicking site type. The same will apply to Amazon KDP. All you need to do is to come here. You click here. You scroll down. You click account. You come here to click account setting. You click change payment method. That is, if you have one there before, you can see your payment method. You can see I already have mine, but to add your own, you click bank account, then you click edit detail. This is where you will input your account information. You remember the account detail you copied on AirTM. This account detail, you bring it to your Amazon associate payment profile. This is your name. It's a checking account. You will input the account number here. You repeat the account number. You state the name of the bank and you insert the routine number. Then you click save. As soon as you save, it will look like this. So you are ready to get your direct deposit from your Amazon associate earnings direct to your AirTM platform. As soon as you receive your funds from Amazon affiliate program, you will see your money in your wallet account and you can withdraw this money instantly to your bank account in your country by clicking withdraw. You click search, you click bank. You will see list of banks from most countries on this platform. If your country is not here, that implies that you cannot open account with AirTM, but most countries are on this platform. To know if your country is here, you just type the name of your country. I'm in Nigeria. Suppose you want to withdraw your money to the dollar account you open with your local bank in your country. For instance, for Nigeria, you click here. Suppose the amount you receive from Amazon associate program or Amazon KDP is $30. This is the amount you will get. It will take 1 hour for you to get that money in your local dollar account in your country. All you need to do is to configure and enter the detail of your dollar account in your country on this platform. You click continue and you get this money within 1 hour. If you want to convert your money directly to your local currency account in your country, you click this. Suppose the amount that you got from Amazon associate or Amazon KDP or from any freelance company, suppose the amount is $30. As at the time of this video, this is the rate that is available for Nigerian naira. You will get 46,000 naira plus. You must have registered your local bank account on the platform. You click continue, you will get this money within 1 minute in your local bank. Don't forget to use my link which is below the description of this video to sign up. When you do that and you use this platform, you will get a gift of $3 as a sign up bonus. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.